Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to turn off auto updates on Google Play Store or simply Play Store. If you turn off auto updates on Play Store, then Play Store will not auto update your apps so that your data is not wasted. And if you don't want any app to update automatically, then you can turn this setting off. To turn off auto updates, what you have to do, you have to click on profile. After clicking on profile, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on general. In general, what you have to do is you have to click on network preferences and data usage. Here you can find auto update of app. There are three options available, which are as over any network or Wi-Fi only or not auto updates app. If you select over any network, then uh, Play Store will update your apps and on any network, which means Wi-Fi or data connection. If you select Wi-Fi, then it will update only on Wi-Fi. If you click on Don't Auto Update Apps, then it will not auto update any apps if you want. In this way, you can turn off the auto updates of the Play Store. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.